and market can be upward or downward. But for short period of time, it can give you a persistent amount of, or you can reliable forecast. And the best technique is that you use mixed analysis. You can use all three, or you can choose two of the three. It's like that. Forecasting method can be evaluated by comparing actual values of currencies to various predicted forecasting methods. I just skipped that one. It's like how you can compare. The simple one is, now which method is correct or not, you compare with the values of actual values. To be meaningful, this comparison should be conducted over several periods. Two criteria used to evaluate performance of forecasting method: bias and accuracy. If the method is give you lower bias and higher accuracy, that method is correct. When comparing the accuracy of the forecast for two currencies, the absolute forecasting error should be divided by, that is more mathematical. I just skipped that one. I told you the agenda of this lecture is to make you understand the concepts, right? Not going through into details of how these methods are going to be developed, because that is econometrics and you did not study the econometrics. Okay, so I'm not going into that detail. So this chapter you need to learn only those concepts, or only those,
that we didn't cover.
Yeah, we just covered in this slide. That's it. Okay, that's all for this class. If you have any question, please do ask, or even in reading your slides or notes or in the book chapter, if you found out that, please do write us in our WeChat group or Blackboard group. I would be happy to answer. If no more question, our class is finished.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Remember, our final exam is going to be on 29th of December. Okay?
Yes.
Finalize this one. Please do not confuse, or do not be, bothering for the change of this, date. I have fixed this date. Okay?
Sir.
Yes.
Do we still have a class next week?
Yes, we do have a class, and that would be revision class. You shoot your questions. I would be happy to answer over there.
Okay. Sounds good.
Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend. Stay safe.
Bye. You too.
Bye. Thank you.